We are taking a look at the Toyota Crown UZS131 Crown Royal Saloon G for the 1989 model year kit. 124 scale curbside kit, and it is today's What's in the Box. Initially, this kit was released in 1995. Exciting, I know. All right, let's check it out. Getting started with the body. As you can see, it is a one-piece body. Getting started now with the chassis, and you can see majority of the detail. Underside detail is molded into it. And up here you have part of the exhaust. And now getting started with one of the first of the parts trees. This has a little bit of, well, mostly underside bits, chassis pieces. Probably sure majority of them you won't use. You have a second exhaust. Have another set of exhaust, second set of exhaust pipes. I'm not sure which one you'll be using. I have to look at the instructions. Suspension, fuel tank, another exhaust, spare tire. And moving on to the next part sheet, which has some more bits, some brake rotors, and some other suspension pieces. So up here, let's check out the brakes. A good amount of detail on the brakes. They look pretty good. Got wheel pins. Looks like some other pieces over there too. And then on this one, you have the axle, front spindles. Looks like those are the rear axle extenders. Kind of extend the rear axle out. I think that's what those are. And taking a look now at the interior parts tree. This will be parts tree B. Got the interior piece here. Here you see you have a couple of steering wheel choices along with TV antenna, steering wheels, steering column. Some seat choices, exhaust piece, looks like a muffler. Optional parts tree here if you want to do a custom version, build one of the custom versions that you can with this kit here. So you have a front bumper, side skirts, and a rear lower bumper valence piece you can put on to kind of give it that body kit-ish look. Taking a look at parts tree C, which has door panels, grill, and some other various pieces in here, on here. And bottom part of the antenna, gear shift lever, rearview mirror, mirrors. But wait, there's more. There's a complete chrome-plated set of the exact same parts for you to use as in one of the custom versions. I'm not exactly understanding the whole chrome thing. Now moving on to the wheels, as you are seeing doubles. There are two sets of wheels, and that was done on purpose because you are only going to use, you're not using these, let me turn it this way. You're not using these, this side, because if you look, there's the whole, they're wider out back, skinny out front. So to do the stock for this one, you're going to use the same side wheels. Taking a look now at the clear parts tree. So over here you have the main window piece. There's some lenses there in the middle. Then over here, so these up, I'm going to mention these up here, these pieces up here you're not going to be using. These are for the custom version if you're going to build a custom version. Stock version, or the box art kit out of the box, we'll be using down here. And the last little bit of things to look out, first you have a window mask sheet for the front and rear windows. That's good. You have a sheet of their chrome reflective vinyl. It's pretty much useless, to be honest. It's good for using, I don't know, it's decal sheet. Taking a look at the tire baggie, get a set of Yokohamas. That's what there are, Yokohamas. You got a metal axle for the rear, metal axle pins for the front, and the metal license plate backings to make actual metal license plates, and of course the poly cap. So that, my friends, is going to do for this look at the Toyota Crown Royal Saloon for the 1989 model year kit from Aoshima. So yes, I'm pretty sure you can get yourself some Toyota color match paint from Jameson at Scalefinishes. Maybe not for this exact crown, but Toyota color match paint nonetheless. And on that note, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.